Hello friends, today we will learn about structural organization and function of intracellular organelles. Life exhibits varying degrees of organization. Atoms are organized into molecules, molecules are molecules into organelles and organelles into cells and so on. According to the cell theory, all living organisms, living things are composed of one or more cells and the functions of a multicellular organisms are a consequence of the type of cells it has. Cells fall into two broad groups, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cells are smaller and lack much of the internal compartmentalization and complexity of eukaryotic cells. No matter which type of cells we are considering, all cells have certain features in common, such as a cell membrane, DNA and RNA, cytoplasm, and ribosomes. Eukaryotic cells have a great variety of organelles and structures. Cell size and shape. Let's know about cell size and shape. The shapes of the cells are quite varied, with some such as neurons being longer than they are wide, and others such as parenchyma and erythrocytes being equidimensional. Some cells are encased in a rigid wall which constrains their shape, while others have a flexible cell membrane. The size of cells is also related to their function. Eggs are very large, often being the largest cells an organism produces. The large cell of many eggs is related to the process of development that occurs after the egg is fertilized, when the contents of the egg are used in a rapid series of cellular divisions, each requiring tremendous amounts of energy that is available in the zygote cells. Later in the life, the energy must be acquired, but at first a sort of inheritance or trust fund of energy is used. Cells range in size from small bacteria to large, unfertilized eggs laid by birds and dinosaurs. The relative size ranges of biological things is is like 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter equals to 1000 millimeter equals to 1 lakh micrometer equals to 1 crores nanometer. 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 10 meter equals to 10 mm. 10 millimeter. 1 millimeter, that is 1 mm, equals to 1 by 100 meter equals to 10 mm. 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 1000 meter equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 micrometer equals to 1 by 1 lakh meter equals to 1 by 10,000 centimeter. 1 nanometer nm equals to 1 by 1 crore meter equals to 1 by 1 lakh centimeter. Sorry, 1 crores centimeter. Sorry, 1 by 1 crores centimeter. Okay, then uh, in science we use the metric system for measuring. Let's know about the cell membrane. The cell membrane functions as a semi-permeable barrier, allowing a very few molecules across it, while fencing the majority of organic produced chemicals inside the cell. Electronic microscope examinations of cell membranes have led to the development of the lipid bilayer model, that is fluid mosaic model. The most common molecule in the model is the phospholipid, which has a polar or hydrophilic head and two nonpolar or hydrophobic tail. These phospholipids are aligned tail to tail, so the nonpolar areas from a hydrophobic region between the hydrophilic heads on the manner and outer surface of the membrane. Cholesterol is another important component of cell membranes embedded in the hydrophobic areas of the inner region. Most bacterial cell membranes do not contain cholesterol. Cholesterol aids in the flexibility of a cell membrane. Proteins are suspended in the inner layer, although the more hydrophilic areas of these proteins stick out into the cell's interior as well as outside the cell. These proteins function as gateways that will allow certain molecules to cross into and out of the cell by moving through open areas of the protein channel. These integral proteins are sometimes known as gateway proteins. The outer surface of the membrane will tend to be rich in glycoproteins, which have their hydrophobic tails embedded in the hydrophobic region of the membrane and their heads exposed outside the cell. These along with carbohydrates attached to the integral protein and are thought to function in the recognition of self, a sort of cellular identification system. The content of the cell are termed protoplasm and are further subdivided into cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Now, let's know about cell wall. Not all living cells have cell walls, most notably animals and many more animal-like protistians. Bacteria have cell walls containing the chemical peptidoglycan. Plant cells have a variety of chemicals incorporated in their cell walls. Cellulose, a non-digestible polysaccharide is the most common chemical in the plant primary cell wall. Some plant cells also have lignin and other chemicals embedded in their secondary cell wall. The cell wall is located outside the plasma membrane. Plasmodesmata are connections. Plasmodesmata are connections through which cells communicate chemically with each other through their thick walls. Fungi and many protists have cell walls, although they do not contain cellulose, rather a variety of chemicals like chitin in fungi. Animal cells lack a cell wall and most instead rely on their cell membrane to maintain the integrity of the cell. Many protistians also lack cell walls. Using variously modified cell membranes act as a boundary to the inside of the cell. Let's know about cell movement. Cell movement is both internal, referred to as cytoplasmic streaming, and external, referred to as motility. Internal movements of organelles are governed by actin filaments and other components of the cytoskeleton. These filaments make an area in which organelles such as chloroplast can move. Internal movement is known as cytoplasmic streaming. External movement of cells is determined by special organelle for locomotion. The cytoskeleton is a network of connected filaments and tubules. It extends from the nucleus to the plasma membrane. Electron microscopic studies showed the presence of a organized cytoplasm. Immunofluorescence microscopy identifies protein fibers as a major part of these cellular features. The cytoskeleton components maintain cell shape and allow the cell and its organelles to move. Actin filaments are long, thin fibers approximately 7 nanometer in diameter. These filaments occur in bundles and mesh-like networks. These filaments are polar, meaning there are differences between the end of the strand. An actin filament consists of two chains of globular actin monomers twisted to form a helix. Actin filaments play a structural role, forming a dense complex web just under the plasma membrane. Actin filaments in microvilli of intestinal cells act to shorten the cell and thus to pull it out of the intestinal lumen. Likewise, the filaments can extend the cell into intestine when food is to be absorbed. In plant cells, actin filaments form tracts along which chloroplasts circulate. Actin filaments move by interacting with myosin. The myosin combines with and splices ATP, thus binding to actin and changing the configuration to pull the actin filament forward. Similar action accounts for pinching of cells during cell division and for amoeboid movement. Intermediate filaments are between 8 and 7 nanometer in diameter. They are between actin filaments and microtubules in size. The intermediate fibers are rope-like assemblies of fibrous polypeptides. Some of them support the nuclear envelope while others support the plasma membrane, form cell-to-cell junctions. Microtubules are small hollow cylinders. These microtubules are composed of a globular protein tubulin. Assembly brings the two types of tubulin together as dimers which arrange themselves in rows. In animal cells and most protists, a structure known as centrosome occurs. The centrosome contains two centrioles lying at right angles to each other. Centrioles are short cylinders with a 9 plus 0 pattern of microtubule triplets. Centrioles serve as basal bodies for cilia and flagella. Plant and fungal cells have a structural equivalent to a centrosome, although it does not contain centrioles. Cilia are short, usually numerous, hair-like projections that can move in an undulating fashion. Flagella are longer, usually fewer in number. Projections that move in whip-like fashion. Example: sperm cells. Cilia and flagella are similar except for length, cilia being much shorter. Cilia and flagella move when the microtubules slide past one another. Both of these locomotion structures have a basal body at base with the same arrangement of microtubule triples as centrioles. Flagella work as whips, pulling or pushing the organism through the water. Cilia work like oars on a Viking longship. The movement of these structures is like power stroke, recovery stroke, like that. Movement of cilia. Okay, not all cells use cilia or flagella for movement. Okay, some such as amoeba, chaos, and human leukocytes, like leukocytes means white blood cells, employ pseudopodia to move the cell. Unlike cilia and flagella, pseudopodia are not structures but rather are associated with actin near the moving edge of the cell. Plastid. Let's know about plastid. First, chloroplast. There are different types of plastids. First, we will study about chloroplast. Discovered by Simper. Chlor means green and plast means living. It present mostly in the green algae and higher plants. In higher plants, the chloroplasts are generally lens-shaped, about 2 to 4 micrometer wide and 5 to 10 micrometer long. Number of chloroplasts from 20 to 40 per cell is higher plant. This is double membranous organelles. Proteinaceous ground substances present in it, omega, is called stroma. 70S ribosome, granum, thylakoid, oxyphilic drops, starch, protein, etc. are found in stroma. Circular DNA is present, which is called plastidome. In presence of DNA, RNA is called cell or semi-autonomous organ. In chloroplast, chlorophyll A and B RNA are found. This is the most active photosynthetic tissue. In general, chloroplasts have a double helical DNA, circular, with an average length of 45 mm. Let's know about function. Photosynthesis. First is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs inside the chloroplast. They are considered as the centers of photosynthetic. Protein synthesis. They have sufficient amount of mRNA of its own. So chloroplast activity incorporate amino acid into protein in the presence of carbon dioxide. Now come to mutation. This is known as mutation is known as plastid mutation. After mutation, plastid may perform altered functions. Let's know about cytoplasmic heredity. Cytoplasmic heredity occurs in presence of DNA. Krebs cycle and fatty acid synthesis provides enzymes. Calvin cycle occurs in it or in stroma. Light reaction occurs in granum. Let's know about leucoplast. Leuco means white and plast means living. They are colorless. Leucoplasts are colorless. They are found in embryonic and germ cells and meristematic cells. Leucoplasts don't have thylakoid and ribosome. They store the food material. These are of proteinoplast, amyloplast, eoplast, like this. Let's know about proteinoplast. Proteinoplast stores protein as alleuron molecule. So it's also called as alleuronoplast. Example, Rhizicus communis. Let's know about amyloplast. Amyloplast stored in starch. Example, potato, rice. Now come to elioplast. Elioplast store in lipid. It's found seeds of monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Let's know about chromoplast. Chromoplast means chroma means color and plast means living. They may be round or needle-shaped ellipsoidal. These are color plastids containing carotenoids, xanthophyll, and other pigments. It is found in flower petals, fruit, and some roots. Flowers are colored by chromoplast and insects attract toward flower for pollination and dispersal. There is reduced chlorophyll in chromoplast. For red color pigmentation, Charotin family lycopene. For yellow color, xanthophyll. For brown color, fucoxanthin. In bacteria, various pigments like phycocyamin and chlorophyll, carotenoid, erythrin, etc. are present. They are of different types. Two types, phycoplast and rhodoplast. Phyo means dark or brown, and pigmentation, plast means living. Pigment is fucoxanthin, found in diatoms. Now come to rhodoplast. Rhodoplast means pigment, pyoerythrin, found in red algal. Let's know about endoplasmic reticulum, ER. First observed by light microscope, and it was called ergastoplasm, discovered by Porter. It's found in all eukaryotic cells except erythrocytes, that is RBC, of mammals. In prokaryotic cells, it is absent. In muscle cells, it is known as sarcoplasmic reticulum, found undifferentiated and small in eggs and embryonic cell. Types of endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is otherwise known as agranular endoplasmic reticulum, or rough endoplasmic reticulum is otherwise known as granular endoplasmic reticulum. First, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. Ribosomes are absent on the surface. It forms lipid. These are spheroid, 50 to 500 nanometer in size. These are more abundant in glycogen storing liver cells, intestinal cells, adipose cells, leukocytes, and retinal cells. Now come to rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Okay. Ribosomes are attached by riboprotein to rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is found mostly that secretes material continuously. Protein synthesis occurs in presence of ribosome. ER is the ergoplasm or basophilic bodies or Nizel's body. This is involved in metabolism and transport of protein. Structure. It's double membrane organ. It's membranous organ, and endoplasmic membranes have two phases, cytoplasmic or luminal phase. Cisternae, let's know about. There are two types of structure, cisternae and tubules. Three types of structure, sorry. Third one is vesicle. Cisternae, it's elongated, flattened and unbranched. These are about 40 to 50 micrometer thick. Tubules, these are elongated, smooth-walled or branched. Diameter is about 50 to 190 micrometer, found in non-secretory cells like muscle cells, develop in spermatid of guinea pig. Vesicles, they are rounded, spherical. It's found in which cells they are busy in protein synthesis and in liver and pancreatic cells. It forms organelles like spheroisome, peroxisome. Function, cell skeleton formation. Function is first is cell skeleton formation. Second is rough endoplasmic form protein. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum form lipid and steroid. Detoxification occurs by endoplasmic reticulum. Example, liver cell detoxification of prussic acids occurs. Segregation of proteins, ATP synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum membranes are the sites of ATP synthesis. Formation of plasmodesmata between cell membrane and nucleus. Genetic material transportation occurs by endoplasmic reticulum. And vacuoles. Vacuoles size is in plant cell large, in animal cell vacuole is small. It is double membranes organelles. Outer membrane is called tonoplast. It is derived by Golgi apparatus. Anthocyanin pigment are found in vacuole, red or blue color shown in the acidic medium and pink color is shown in basic medium. Vacuole liquid is called cell sap. In cell sap, glucose, fructose, sucrose, insulin, tannin, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, alkaloid, glucoside, etc. are stored. Let's know about type of vacuole. Food vacuole, sap vacuole, contractile vacuole, gas vacuole, like this. Many vacuoles are there. Four types of vacuoles are there. Food vacuole, food store and digestion of food occurs. In sap vacuole, toxic and abiotic material are stored. In contractile vacuole, water regulate and excretion occur with the help of contractile vacuole. And in gas vacuole, gases are stored. Presence of these vacuole cells can float on water surface. Its function are different. Mainly, it is used in storage to regulation of osmotic pressure occur. Cell is being turgid or acid by vacuole. In metabolic mechanism, it is helpful. And now, let's know about centrioles. Centrosome discovered by centrosome is discovered by E. Bendin. Two, two centrioles are found in one centrosome and they are arranged at right angles to each other. Each centriole is made of 9 bundles of microtubules arranged in a ring. Each microtubule diameter is 250 angstrom. This is membraneless organelle. In centriole, a range of fibers occur. In each microtubule, tubulin, protein, lipid and ATPase enzymes are present. With flagella, centriole is called basal body. Blepharoplast. Blepharoplast. Proximal centriole kinetosome. Its functions are due to presence of tubulin protein. It helps in cell division. Tail of sperm is found by distal centriole. During cell division, one centrosome is duplicated and form two centriole. Omega is star-shaped cluster known as asters. Asters move to opposite poles and form spindle fiber. Omega guides for the alignment of chromosome. Centrosomes decrease number of divisional errors. Centrioles evolved as a refinement of the cell, make mitosis much more efficient. In Chlamydomonas, basal bodies change their location and functionally converted into centriole before mitotic process. Let's know about mitochondria. Mito means thread and chondrion means granule. It's known as powerhouse of the cell or energy factory. This name is given by the scientist named Benda. This is a biochemical machine. Omega converts the potential energy of foodstuff into kinetic energy, first seen by Coley Kerr in muscular cell of insect. First isolation of mitochondria is by Bensley and Hoare. Distributions found in all eukaryotic cells and absent in prokaryotic cell. Number of mitochondria is equals to activity of cell. Number of mitochondria. Macromonas equals to or less than 1. Amoeba chaos or chaos is equals to or greater than 5 5 lakh. Liver cell is 1 to 1600. In RBC, absent. Energy formation by glycolysis. Shape and size, length is 8 micrometer. Diameter is 0.1 micrometer. Mainly thread-like, granular shaped, globe-shaped, vesicular shaped. Ultrastructure. It is double-walled structure. Cell membrane is outer cell membrane about 60 angstrom thick. It is permeable to various material or metabolites. Marker enzyme monoamine oxidase. Cytochrome B5 and transmembrane protein are present. Inner membrane is 60 to 80 angstrom thick. It got folded folded form finger like projection is called cristae. This is impermeable, so for transportation of various material carriers are found. On the surface of cristae, a special type of particles are present which is knob-like called F1 particles or oxysome. Between inner and outer membrane about 6.8 nanometer space is present which is known as perimitochondrial space. Oxysome diameter is equals to or greater than 85 angstrom. They are situated on cristae 100 angstrom distance to each other. Each chromosome has got three parts: omega are head, stalk, and base. It is made up of phospholipid and proteins. They have got adipose or kinase. Adipose synthetase enzyme is related to energy formation. Oxidative phosphorylation occur in it matrix ADP plus IP N3PO4. Inner mitochondrial membrane encloses fluid is called matrix. In matrix 70S ribosome DNA few time granule omega site for binding to transportation. Presence of DNA, it is also known as cell or semi-autonomous organ. Chemical composition. Generally 65 to 70% proteins or 25 to 30% phospholipid or 0.5% RNA and small amount of DNA and some other material. Function. ATP conservation. ATP formation occurs by Krebs cycle or aerobic respiration. Omega is stored in mitochondria. 1 ATP equals to 7.5 by 7.3 kilocalorie energy. Krebs cycle. It is occur in matrix or on cristae by pyruvic acid. Due to presence of DNA, duplication capacity is found. ETS or electron transport system occurs in mitochondria. Yolk formation is developing ovum. To synthesis of heme is required in myoglobin, hemoglobin, etc. Now come to ribosome, factory of protein formation, discovered by A. Brown in cells of apple's root by Albert Claude, seen in chick and mammalian embryo. By Pallade and Claude, it is seen in animal cell. Membraneless organelles and ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum through ribofourin protein. It is also found in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast. Its diameter is 150 to 250 angstrom. Method of isolation of ribosome. Generally, they are isolated from the cell by the differential configuration method. The sedimentation coefficient of the ribosome is determined by various electronic optical techniques. The sedimentation coefficient is expressed in Svedborg unit. Structure of ribosome. Type of ribosome. There are two types of ribosome, that is 70S and 80S. Mainly found 70S is mainly found in prokaryotes and 80S is mainly found in eukaryotes. 70S molecular weight is 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 Dalton. Example: blue-green algae, mitochondria and chloroplast of eukaryotes. 80S is mainly found in eukaryotes. Its molecular weight is 40 into 10 to the power 6 Dalton. Okay. Now, subunits of ribosomes are associated with the help of Mg2 plus ions, and association of ribosome depend on concentration of Mg2 plus. 40S and 60S subunits associated at the 0.001 m concentration of Mg2 plus and form 80S units. When concentration of Mg2 plus ion is increased 10 times, then two 80S units get associated and form dimer. Omega has 120S sedimentation coefficient and presence of mRNA and Mg2 plus. Dimer get associated and form polysome and polyribosome. P point and A point are present at the large subunit of ribosome. P point is called peptidyl point. A point called amino acyl point. They are useful in protein synthesis. Ca2 plus, Mn2 plus, Mg2 plus protein and rRNA are found in it. Function. Main function of ribosome is protein synthesis, vasculation of protein in mitochondria and chloroplast. Golgi complex or Golgi body. Discovered by Camillo Golgi in nerve cells of owl. It's also called as dictosome and lipochondrion. It's called a traffic police of the cell secretions. Golgi body is found close to nucleus cell. It's originated by endoplasmic reticulum. So, four types of structures are found in Golgi body. One is cisternae, vacuole, tubules, vesicles. Small droplet-like structure, diameter is 400 to 800 angstrom, and vesicles are of two types. One is transition vesicle and another is secretory vesicles. Its transition vesicle is associated to forming phase, and secretory vesicles is found between maturing phase of Golgi body and plasma membrane. It contains secretory products of Golgi body. Let's know the function. Main function of Golgi complex is secretion like milk secretion enzyme, insulin hormone secretion from pancreas, thyroxine secretion from thyroid gland. It is used in acrosome formation during spermiogenesis. It is used in acrosome formation during spermiogenesis. Cell complete formation occurs by Golgi body. It is help in excretion of residue material from cell. Lysosome and peroxisome are formed by Golgi body. About 60% protein and 40% lipid is stored by Golgi body. Glucose by glycosylation protein formation. Glucose by glycosylation lipid formation to store secretory products. Carbohydrate synthesis occur like pectin, hemicellulose of cell wall in plants and glycosamino glycans of extracellular matrix in animals. Lysosome. Lysosome is discovered by Christian D. Dubois. Lysosome. Lysosome. Lyso means digestion and soma means body. It is absent in bacteria. Single unit membranous organelles, mostly oval shaped and diameter is 0.25 to 0.5 micrometer. It occurs in most and few plant cells mostly. They occur in abundance in the epithelial cells of the lungs and uterus. Lysosomes have got about 50 types of cells. Some enzymes are like some enzymes are very crucial. It is known as suicidal bag because when it destroys in the cell, then they gets killed. It is originated by Golgi body or endoplasmic reticulum (GERL) system. They are as follows. Primary lysosome. First is primary lysosome. Their primary lysosomes are formed by directly endoplasmic reticulum or Golgi complex. And second is, it is known as storage granule. Now come to secondary lysosome. When primary lysosome is attached to food vacuole, then it is called secondary lysosome. It is also known as heterophagosomes and phagolysosomes and digestive vacuole like this. And third is autophagic vacuole or suicidal bag. It is self-digestion. Here self-digestion occurs. Lysosomes are able to digest intracellular structures like mitochondria, ribosome, etc. It is used during growth, repair, etc. And residual bodies. Fourth is residual bodies lysosome. Undigested material or of phagosomes form a residual granule and it is excreted by exocytosis from cells. Let's know about function. Its function: digestion of extracellular material and autolysis. That means pathogenic cells are destroyed by their lysosome. Third is to reinnovation of cell organelles in trigger of cell division. Fifth is it is helpful in seed germination. Now come to sporosome. Lysosome-like structure in sporosome. It is lysosome-like structure in plant cells. They are absent in animal cells. Single unit membrane made of lipoprotein, hydrolase, protease, ribonuclease, phosphatase, esterase enzymes are present. Mainly it is used for collection, transportation and synthesis of fatty material. Peroxism discovered by Christian Debye and Talbot. It is formed by endoplasmic reticulum or Golgi body. Mainly catalase enzyme is found in it. Omega breaks down the toxic H2O2 and excretes from cells. Mainly found in liver and kidney for detoxification. Mainly found in animal cells and higher plant cells. They have got glycolic acid oxidase, catalase, D-amino acid oxidase, etc. enzyme. Now come to function. It helps in light respiration with the mitochondria and chloroplast to decrease effect of toxic material in cell or detoxification. Third is to control metabolism of lipid H2O2 metabolism. That means 2H2O catalase enzyme gives rise to 2H2O plus O2. Now come to nucleus. Nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in cell of Tradescentia. All other living organisms have got nucleus in their cell. In prokaryotes, it is not actual, so it is called nucleoid. Now come to nuclear membrane. Two nuclear membranes are present, each 5 to 10 nanometer thick, and omega is made up of lipoprotein. Ribosomes endoplasmic reticulum are attached to outer membrane of nucleus. Between outer and inner membrane, 20 to 25 nanometer area is present, which is known as perinuclear space. Now come to nuclear pore. Nuclear membrane is performed, diameter is 200 to 400 angstrom. By electron microscopic studies, it is found that these pores are not vacant. They have complex structure of omega is called nuclear pore complex. In this pore or nuclear pore complex, thin diaphragm of protein is located. Omega is called annulus. Pore and annulus collectively form pore complex omega is shown. Pore complex omega is shown by different diagrams. Center of each pore complex, a plug is associated and 8 radial spokes are extended from plug. Omega is associated C annulus. In plant cell, diaphragm is absent. A integral protein 1,20,000 Dalton and 60,000 Dalton protein are associated to nuclear pores. Nucleoplasm. It is semi-solid and transparent, found in nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA, and proteins. Mainly many type of protein found, that is histone or basic proteins, non-histone or acidic proteins. Histone proteins is example arginine, lysine, histidine, and non-histone is phosphoprotein. Now come to enzymes. Many enzymes are necessary for synthesis of DNA and RNA. Important enzyme of are NAD synthetase, adenosine deaminase, nucleoside phosphorylase, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase, and acetyl coenzyme A, RNA polymerase, DNA polymerase. Now come to minerals. Several inorganic compounds are found like potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. Chromatin fiber. These are thread-like structure. It can be observed only in interphase. It consists DNA and protein and RNA 5% of total chromatin. These are of two types, heterochromatin and euchromatin. Heterochromatin. Let's know about heterochromatin. These are darkly stained and condensed region. These are found in darkly stained and condensed region. Due to comparatively small amount of DNA, it is supposed to be metabolically and genetically insert. Euchromatin. Let's know about euchromatin. These are light stained and diffused region. It contains large amount of DNA comparatively. And let's know about nucleolus. It is not bounded any limiting membrane. Chemically, Nucleolus contains DNA of organism, 70 type of ribosomal proteins, that is RNA binding protein, 4 types of rRNA. In human nuclear organism are 10 in number. It is enzymes. In, in it enzymes are found like NAD plus synthesizing phosphorylase, etc. Thank you. Finally finished. Thank you. Any questions you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.